They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Too far? Fine. This is me, Harley Quinn. When I was a kid, my dad traded me for a 6-pack of beer. But however many times he tried to ditch me, I kept coming back. Eventually, he found me a new home. The Good Sisters of St. Bernadette's taught me a lot. But I was never an establishment kind of gal. All things considered, I did good. I even went to college, got my PhD. Had my heart broken once or twice. Finding love, it's not easy. So I threw myself into my work, became a psychiatrist. That's when I met him, Mr. J, my joker. Oh, I fell hard. Like, out of a plane without a parachute right in your dumb fucking face kind of hard. I lost all sense of who I was. I only had eyes for pudding. We all know the saying, behind every successful man, there's a badass broad. Well, that was me. I was the brains behind some of Mr. J's greatest stunts. Not that he let anyone know it. I guess all good things have to come to an end. So, we broke up.
Bitch, don't try me, ho. Bad like a villain, I pop it and then I reload. All the best things in life come for free, but don't you think that applies to me? I do what I want cause I know that I'm hot. I ain't a damn, but you know how I rock. Don't need no clippers to give you a chop. Took me to dinner, then I took 'em out. I like it when you call me crazy, long as you keep calling, baby. Think it's cute that I know how to shoot. Don't you get scared if I point it at you. Broke up with my ex, dumped them in the text. Would wish you the best, but I already left. Date night with my bitches, getting real twisted. You know what you could do? Give my ass a bunch of kisses.
I love me this much, my pear-shaped dripped up is freezing in my body. Oh, that's a ghost best friend. That's a ghost best friend. I don't need you, I got figured out baguettes. I don't need you, all my diamonds dripping wet.
I know how to work a gun, I don't need a range, and I can take a hit. I ain't scared of the pain, and I don't really bang, but I came with the gang. And if you get too close, I might snatch off your chain. Oh, you want me to be a little more ladylike? Come through with my girls and beat your ass on ladies' night. Ay, you don't wanna go toe-to-toe with my pedicure. Everyone you know be like, bro, how you handle her? Diamonds on my new boyfriend, so that mean I will never ever fuck with you again. And I ain't never need him, so it's so easy